Unlocking the meaning. Install new fixtures. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a practical phrase that often pops up in conversations about home improvement and construction. Install new fixtures. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your own discussions. So, let's get started. First things first, let's break down the phrase, install new fixtures, into two parts to understand its meaning better. Install. This verb means to set up or fix something in place so that it is ready for use. Installation can involve tools, instructions, and sometimes professional help, depending on what is being installed. Fixtures. Fixtures refer to items that are attached to a property or building in a way that makes them part of the property. Common examples include lights, sinks, toilets, and cabinets. They are usually fixed or mounted onto walls, ceilings, or floors. When we combine these two, install new fixtures means putting in new items or equipment into a building or space to make it more functional, efficient, or stylish. Understanding how this phrase applies in real life can help you grasp its usage better. Here are a few scenarios. Home renovation. When someone buys a house and wants to update its look or functionality, they might install new fixtures in the kitchen or bathroom, like modern faucets or energy-efficient lighting. Business upgrades. A restaurant may install new fixtures like updated lighting and a new bar area to create a better ambiance for customers. Public spaces. A city might install new fixtures in a park, such as benches, lights, and water fountains, to improve the public's enjoyment and safety. In all these examples, the phrase indicates an improvement or upgrade to the existing space. Understanding this phrase is crucial for several reasons. If you're living in an English-speaking country, knowing this term helps you discuss home improvement or construction projects accurately. Working in a field related to construction, real estate, or interior design, this phrase is a staple in professional vocabulary. Learning English for personal growth, mastering phrases like these enriches your language skills and prepares you for a wide range of conversations. We hope this video has shed light on what it means to install new fixtures and how you can use this phrase in your everyday life. Whether you're planning to renovate your home or simply want to expand your English vocabulary, remembering phrases like these can be incredibly useful. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.